Creating a Philosophy of Instructional Design by Samantha Dean. Isn't it satisfying to see the light bulb go off in our students' minds? This moment is what educators strive for. For me, these are the moments I'm most proud of as an educator. I have 3 goals as an instructional designer. The first is to remain up to date with current educational and instructional design trends. This will allow me to adapt to the changing needs of my learners. The second is to continuously try different strategies and technologies. This will improve my effectiveness as an educator. And third, engage in self-reflections regularly. This will guide my future instruction and help me serve my students best. I have 2 aspirations as an educator and an instructional designer. The first is to be a lifelong learner. This will require me to stay active in instructional design and education discourse. I can achieve this by conversing with colleagues, attending workshops or conferences, pursue more schooling, and share my thoughts and ideas via social media. My second aspiration is to encourage my students to become lifelong learners as well. This requires me to create a safe and fun learning environment where students feel successful. I have 2 objectives as an educator and an instructional designer. The first is to apply my knowledge of instructional design to my own teaching practices to become a better educator. The second is to utilize my instructional design knowledge to educate others to assist them in becoming better educators. In order for the light bulb to turn on when a concept clicks with a student, the light must be plugged into an outlet. The learning theory I prefer to use to structure my courses is Cognitivism. The wires of the light bulb represent the learning process in which learners access their thousands of already existing schemas in their brain to organize new information into their long-term memory. A key principle of cognitivism is the structure and organization of a lesson plays a significant role in the learning process. The role of the instructor is to ensure that those wires make it to the outlet so the bulb gets turned on. Therefore, the instructor paves a path for the wires to find their outlet destination. It's one thing to get the light bulb to illuminate, but it's another thing to keep the light bulb lit. Therefore, integrating 21st century skills into our courses will act as the replacement light bulbs. The 4 categories of 21st century skills are communication, creativity, critical thinking, and collaboration. It's crucial to provide opportunities that utilize these 4 C's so our learners can apply their knowledge and partake in 21st century discourse. Building 21st century skills requires the use of 21st century technology. Integrating technology is a crucial aspect when developing courses. Technology can be used to create courses, improve teaching practices by staying up to date via internet, analyze student data, provide meaningful and unique learning experiences for the learner, and much more. In every course I create, I include both formative and summative types of assessment to measure student learning. In order to address the diverse needs of the learners, there should be a variety of each type of assessment. For example, I've used exit tickets, creating graphics, creating social media posts, and writing discussion posts as formative assessments. I've also used standard multiple choice / short answer tests, projects, and learner choice as summative assessments. To grow as an instructional designer, I must continue to expand and apply my instructional designer skills. To expand my skills, I'll attend instructional design workshops or conferences, follow instructional design users on social media, and continue to take courses. My plans to expand my skills as an ID aligns with my professional goal of staying up to date with ID trends and my aspiration of being a lifelong learner. To apply my skills as an ID, I will apply my knowledge to my own teaching practices, educate others in my work environment, and stay active on social media by posting my work. My plans to apply my skills as an ID aligns with my professional goal of trying different strategies, my aspirations of being a lifelong learner, and my objectives of applying my skills to my work and educating others. As I previously mentioned, my aspirations as an educator and instructional designer is to be a lifelong learner and for my students to be lifelong learners as well. The more lifelong learners, the brighter the world will be. To put it simply, learn, educate, and illuminate. And these are my references. Thanks for watching.